guys? Welcome back to another video. It's the Corvette here, and behind me is a car show. It's a big one, Wonderland, the Americas. Apparently it's every year. It's their 11th year doing it, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. As you can see, it's 100 degrees outside here in Texas, San Antonio, and I'm coming prepared. So I got the long sleeves, I got jeans, I got my sun hat, sunglasses, so I'm coming prepared because I'm not about to get burned and get all nasty in this hot weather. So let's go ahead and check out the rides and see what's going on. Alright guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. Like I said, I'm going to be bringing a ton of car show videos and stuff, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the Vette right here. I'm not going to be in the show because it does cost like 30-40 bucks to be in it, and I can't be in here until, you know, it's from 4 to 9, so I'm not going to be here all day. But maybe one of these days I'll enter in to try to get, you know, a win of some sort, some type of trophy. I have one before in the past, but not today. So we're just going to go for a little bit, kind of see what kind of whips are out here, and then hopefully it'll make a good video. So, but I'm parking right here on the side. Guys, look, I'm across the street. I can see her. She looks so pretty. Holy cow, guys, look at this old school, man. 1926 is what it says there. That's old school, man, like the Prohibition. Right before the Great Depression. And then you got this big, huge truck over here. Wow. Check it out. Classic Thunderbird. Man, look at that. I like the blue on that Hellcat. Oh, we got Tomater over here. I've seen this one of my other shows before. Interesting. Man, look at that. The 50s style, I think. Man, look at that. Always nice looking on the wrap on that 392 SRT. I found you, man. Weekend Garage 210, I found you. Wow, guys, old school Challenger. I like the purple.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Got a little bit more here. Swangas, Houston, Texas, guys. Lambo doors. Really nice Hellcat right here. I like the wide body. Stripes. Cool color. All right, we're still making the rounds. Another Hellcat. I like silver on that one. That looks pretty good. C8, black. I like the Lexus wrap too. C6 Vettes, I found ya. Ooh, Camaro Z01, red. I like that. That's pretty nice. Chevelle, Novas. And another classic Corvette. Pretty nice. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at that supercharged blower on top of that motor. Yeah, this is a straight drag car right here. Oh my God, it's gigantic. Oh, look what's coming in. It's pro-charged. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. C5 Z06. Oh man, when he gets on, I bet you that thing sounds so good. All right, well, let's keep it going. We got some, you know, classic Mustangs and Bel Airs, C8s. Oh, we got a little Bullet. New Edge Bullet. That's nice. Let's take a look. Got a JLT intake on it. And see the number. Wow. You got a nice little rat rod right here. That looks cool. ZL1 right next to it. With that LT4 blower on top. I'm gonna have one too. One day. Roto Fab air intake. Man, look at that. Little Camaro SS. I like the wheels and the tires, like the white. It's pretty nice. And then check out this Deadpool themed Challenger. Wow. Look at that. That is cool. Look, Deadpool everywhere on this thing. Wow. Man, I like this red Camaro. Wow, look at that. Man, guys, so many classic cars here. GTO. Orange one right there. Then you got a really nice GTR right here. And then another nice classic RS Camaro right there. Any wrestling shot? Got another classic Mustang, 68 Ford Mustang. And then a little Charger. Another Hellcat. Just making the round. Oh, look at that Beetle. That Volkswagen Beetle. It's got wheels, rims, and everything on it. Interesting. Got another little C7 right there. Man, guys, so many nice classics. Wow. Oh, what is this? Look at this, guys. Holy crap. That is interesting. Got a little dog in the back. Check out this Challenger, guys. You got a nice little Whipple on top. Look at that. Nice little Whipple. Found a little classic Stingray over here, yellow. And then right next to it's that ProCharge A&A Kit 1. That's nice. And then look at this BMW. Who needs windshields? Like seriously, who needs a windshield? Look at this. Look at this. It's totally gone. You won't get bugs all in your face, but man, look at that. Guys, check out this Harley Davidson F-150. Look at the blower out of this thing. It's like one of those out of the classics. I mean, seriously though, look at this. It's coming out the hood and it's on bags. Like, holy cow. Wow. I spotted this nice black Camaro over here. I'm just gonna go take a look real quick. Oh man, look, it's Pro charged. Oh my gosh. Look at the engine, Edelbrock. Vortec blower on it. Wow. Another Stingray over here. That's pretty nice. Side exit exhaust. Look at the engine in there. Man, that's nice. Very nice. But then that's even nice too. Forgotten Star is his Instagram. Go check him out. Man, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh boy. Turbocharged. Check it out, guys. Look at these lowriders. Huh. Wow, that's cool. You don't see that too often. And a 71 Corvette Stingray. That's pretty nice too. Look guys, we even have an 18-wheeler here that someone is showcasing. Freaking big. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. I can't stand anymore, it's too hot. But got a good video. There was a lot of cars that came out, so you know, it was a pretty good show. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And like I said, guys, thank y'all for supporting me and all my pages. And to the next video, this is Robert out. Peace.